Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Gemini to Gmail and also Google Docs on your phone. So let's get started. First of all, open Gemini application on your phone, and now let's tap your profile icon. Now after this, select section Connected Apps, and from here you want to toggle on Google Workspace. Let's turn this on. Press connect button, and how to actually use this when everything is connected. You want to go to chat, and now you want to use @ that looks like this, then select application from this list. I will go with Gmail, for example, and then you can write something like, do I have any unread emails from today? Like this. Let's send this, and Gemini will respond with information from your Gmail. Just like this. And also with Google Docs and any other applications from Google Workspace, you can give it your personalized prompts to give the best results and to higher your productivity. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.